Oh, there he is. I knew you, little guy. You're gonna show up. This is not for you. Cooking stream, yes. So this is where I cook. For the milk tea, you basically need milk, Earl Grey, and sugar, and a filter. And some water, of course. I'm gonna first of all put sugar. Two tablespoons of sugar. Some people put like way lot. And put your Earl Grey, like a lot of it. Okay, and at this moment, you are pretty ready to go. So you just need to heat it up in a low, I think. So you need to start mixing it. This is really important to make your milk tea taste better. And now you just need to add the water. Oh, yep. That's a lot of smoke coming out. So you just need to wait a bit until they starts to become like really dense tea. So now you just wait. Okay, so now they are boiling and now I'm gonna add water. No, milk, sorry. I add a lot of milk. You just need to wait until they're kind of like mixed together. That's it. Some people also add condensed milk, but it's a bit too sweet for me. I just like it to be really tea-y. So this milk tea is like much healthier than the ones you have from the shop because you can control the sugar amount that you want. And the milk, you can always go for the low fat. So this is the tea you cook, and this is strainer, and you just filter it over. Yep. Then ta-da! You have your milk tea. That's how you make milk tea. There, have a try. If you've seen it, I will ask you to make it for me every day.